Aspirants, today we are going to learn about parts of speech, which is for English in RBI, and it consists 8 parts, which is noun, pronoun, etc., etc. We will go through all of it. It's a basic grammar, and we will go through all of it. Now, first we should understand noun. Okay, let's start the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it. Like the channel, press the bell icon. Let us understand the first part, which is noun. What is noun? Noun is nothing but which in any sentence is there is a name which is called as noun. For example, let us understand with example. India is a country. In this sentence, which is noun? India is a noun. Even in noun, there are two types: common noun and proper noun. India is a country. India is a proper noun. Common is a country. Country is common. For example, India is a country, Japan is a country, USA is a country. But in those sentence, which is the word is common, is country is common. Even country is a name, so we will adjust it into the common noun. So here it is a common noun. India is a country, India is a noun, which is proper noun, country is a common noun. Rohit is a boy. Rohit is a boy. All boys not a Rohit. Rohit is a boy. Okay. So Varun is a boy. Suresh is a boy. Ramesh is a boy. So here Rohit will be considered as proper noun. Here boy is considered as common noun. In Reena, Reena is a girl. Reena is a girl. Reena is a proper noun. Girl is a common noun. Every girl is not a Reena. Reena is a girl. Okay. So here Reena is a proper noun, girl is a common noun. I hope you understand. Now let's move it to the next, which is pronoun. Now the next part is pronoun. Let us understand what is pronoun. Pronoun is nothing but in any sentence, instead of noun, we uses pronoun. For example, in pronoun, what are the word is she, he, you, we, they, it, me, myself, etc. These are called as pronoun. So here Rohit is playing. Rohit is a noun. Rohit is a noun. Okay, he is playing. We can say as Rohit is playing. He is playing. Here he is pronoun. Reena is playing. She is playing. Reena is a noun. She is pronoun. Okay, anything we consider alternative of an noun is known as pronoun. Rohit is playing. He is playing. Rohit is playing. He is playing. Here Rohit is replaced by he. Reena is playing. Reena is replaced by she. So this is the pronoun. Simple. In the pronoun there are words like he, she, you, we, they, it, me, myself, etc. So now let's move it to the next part. Friends, the next part is verb. In verb, the words like is, I'm, are, has, have, will be, etc. These are the many words which are being present in this part. For example, let us understand with example. Rohit is playing. Rohit is a noun. Is a verb. In verb, there are two types, which is helping verb, which is helping words, action words. Okay. In verb, there are two types: helping and action. Helping verb is, are, I am, have, etc., etc. And playing, Rohit is an helping word. Playing is an action. Playing is an action word. So Rohit is playing, action words. So your noun, helping words, action words. In verb there are two types: helping verbs and action words. For example, let us understand with another example. Rohit is driving. Is an helping word. Driving is an action word. Rohit was driving. Was is an helping word. Driving is an action word. Rohit will be driving. Will be is an helping word which help the sentence. These are the words which help the sentence to build a sentence. So verb is very important in the grammar. So I hope you understand. If you didn't understand, please go rewind and watch it. See, the next part is adverb. After the verb, adverb. Adverb is nothing but adding quality to the verb. Adding quality to the verb. Let us understand with an example. Rohit is driving. From the last, in verb we are learning from this. Rohit is driving. Rohit is a noun. Is a verb. Driving is an action verb. Okay, Rohit is driving is an action verb. So here is an action words, but adding quality to the verb, which is verb. Quality to the verb. Rohit is driving rashly. Rohit is driving rashly, which is adverb. Okay, Rohit is shouting. Rohit is shouting loudly. Loudly is an adverb. So These are the adding quality to the verb. Adding quality to the verb is here adding quality to the driving. For example, Rohit is driving rashly. Rohit might be disciplined in his whole life, but he is driving rashly, which is verb adding quality to the verb, driving rashly. Okay. In the next adjective, we learn about adding quality to the noun. Okay. I hope you understand. If you didn't understand, please go and rewind and watch it. Let's move to the next part, which is adjective. Adjective is nothing but adding quality to the noun and pronoun. Okay, adding quality to noun. In the previous adverb, we were adding quality to the verb. In adjective, we are adding quality to the noun. So here, Rohit is a smart boy. Here, smart. Rohit is a smart boy. Rohit is a smart boy? Smart. You see, the word smart is for Rohit. Rohit is noun, adding quality to the noun. Okay, Rohit is a smart boy. Smart is a word which includes that Rohit is adding quality to the Rohit. So smart is an adjective. Smart is an adjective. Rohit is a smart boy. Where adding quality to noun, which is noun. Rohit is smart boy. Now he is smart boy. He is smart boy. So here smart will be a pronoun. He is a smart boy. He is a smart boy. Rohit is a smart boy. Which adding quality to the noun or pronoun. These two are. This is noun. This is pronoun. Adding quality to noun or pronoun. We are by adding smart. We are adding quality to the Rohit. We are adding he. So here we known as adjective. These are simple concept adjectives. I hope you understand. Let's move to the next concept. Next part of the speech is preposition. Preposition is nothing but which shows the position of the sentence, in which sentence includes on, in, at. Let us understand with an example. The book is on the table. Which word shows the location? Is on the table, on. The book is under the table, which shows the position of the table? Under. Book under the table. The book is, where is the book? The book is under the table. Where is the book? Book is on the table. Okay, these two words, these like on, in, at, under, these are the words which shows the position of an object or a thing. Okay, the book is on the table, the book is under the table. This is known as preposition. I hope you understand. Now let's move to the next concept. Okay, the next part is conjunction. In conjunction, it helps to connect the sentence like and, but, because, so. In any sentence, if there is a these words, it means it's a conjunction. Okay, it connects the words and helps the words to understand. For example, Rohit and Reena are playing. Rohit and is conjunction. Rohit is noun. R is verb. Playing is action verb. So Rohit and Reena are playing. Which connects Rohit and Reena is and connects Rohit and Reena. So Rohit and Reena are playing, and is in conjunction. And, but, because, so. These are the conjunction which helps the words to connect. Okay. Now let's move to the next concept. Understand last part of the speech is article. In article, a, and, the. These are the words which includes in a sentence. Let us understand with an example. India is a great country. India is a great country, which is known as article. Rohit is an bodybuilder. Rohit is an bodybuilder. So this is an article. In any sentence, if you see a and the, it is known as article, which is the 8th part of the speech. So here till this is the parts of speech. I hope you understand. If you understand, please like and subscribe. Thank you.